All right, well, it's raining now everywhere. I got this regulator here. Valve cover is off. Let's see if I can keep the phone on, and hopefully the raindrops won't turn the phone off. Valve cover off. This is the rock arm assembly. This is the fuel injector assembly. I'm going to turn this regulator on. Boom, boom, boom. Hear all that noise? All faithful. So that's not a blown head gasket. That's not a $10,000 job. What that is a freeze plug. Freeze plug popped out. Probably had too much water. It froze here last week and it probably blew the freeze plug out. Anyways, that's what's going on. Gotta go fix it now.